Welcome back to the News, Knowledge, and Life channel. And family, they just found out that flu and HIV drugs show efficiency against coronavirus, which means the coronavirus has HIV traits in it, which means that it's a stronger version of HIV where it's contagious. And I have an article here that will be pinned in the comment box where you can go click on, read on. A lot of you all can do your research and find out that the coronavirus is spliced with AIDS and HIV. That's the reason why they're talking about if your immune system is good, keep your immune system up and all that, because we all know HIV attacks the immune system. And for them to say that flu and HIV drugs show efficiency against coronavirus, HIV has something to do with coronavirus. And a lot of you all think that it came from cats, rats, bats, and all of that from the Chinese. These Chinese people been eating rats, cats, and bats, dogs for a long time. And all of a sudden this comes up. Trump does the trade deal with China, and then next thing you know, this things get released. This is a biowarfare. It seems like the United States is attacking China. I believe that they released this on China, and they also released this on Iran. These are their enemies, basically. In a way, they're working with the enemy. It's like sleeping with the enemy, because we all know that China and the United States has been acquainted for quite some time doing trade deals. But if you really look at, a couple months ago, when Trump went down there and agreed, and China and Trump agreed on that trade agreement, that's when this shit hits. And all of a sudden, people was dropping like flies in China from the coronavirus. And then all of a sudden, you got the Secretary of the Armed Forces or whatever. He died over there in Iran right after. Think about it. America and Iran was just bombing each other a couple months ago just as well. Now, all the big chiefs over there in Iran got the coronavirus. Is this the new way of attacking the enemies? Instead of bombing them, you got this nasty disease out here that's dropping. And it's been put out here to kill people. And there's going to be a lot of people that catch this. A lot of people got this right now and don't even know it. And I just want to advise all my people out there to stay safe. Make sure you keep your hands washed at all time. A lot of people are saying use sanitizers. Make your own sanitizers. If you feel that work, which I feel that alcohol will work, and it kills the bacteria. We got to keep these bacteria out of our body. When you feel mucus in your body, get it out immediately. Ginger, your garlic, vinegar, apple cider vinegar. Get it out of your system. Get you a shot of alcohol if you have to. I know a lot of you all don't drink alcohol. I don't drink it either. But if you have to, drink you a shot of alcohol here and there to get that phlegm out of your throat. Because right now, we're in depressed times. We're in times where our minds is going a million miles per hour. Because every second we hear about some case, or school shut down, businesses shut down, Wall Street got hit real hard, grocery stores is selling out. And if you ain't ready, you ain't gonna make it. Because once everything shut down, I've done videos on this before this coronavirus even hit, on how we need to be getting ready for survival. And by growing your own food. Because when you go to the grocery stores and you can't get in them doors, and all the grocery stores is locked, what the hell you gonna do for your family? This is serious, y'all. And I would like for you all to do your research. Put in, coronavirus spliced with AIDS. and or HIV, and you will find out everything you need to know. And this link will be is in the comment box pinned. So make sure that you go there, family. Make sure you click on that. Read this article. Read this, and also go online and start looking up what they have done. They have found a way to put out biowarfare without having sexual contact. We know that AIDS was made in this lab, and people saying, oh, you can get AIDS from sexual contact. Not anymore. You can get it by breathing, being right next to somebody that got the coronavirus. And if they cough on you, you got it. Or if they breathe on you, you got it. If they touch you, you got it. And now you got people being quarantined, going to the hospital, and then when they release them, they got it again. They release them with no symptoms. 3-4 days later, it comes right back. That's the reason why they're saying that this coronavirus never is never cured for good. Once you got it for good. Just like they say, once you got AIDS, HIV or AIDS, once you got AIDS, you got it for life. That's basically what they're saying. So this is the same shit, the same goddamn thing that they did with AIDS. It's the same thing. They just found a way how to put it out there where it's contagious now, and you don't have to have sex to get it. So I just had to bring this to your family and let y'all know what's going on out there. I want a lot of you all to do your own research yourself, because doing your own research is very good. What I bring out here, I would like for you all to do. Most of the time, some of the times I'll put the links up there so y'all can check it out. But go on there and do your own research and find out for yourself, because these is all receipts and facts right here that I'm giving you. And I want to say y'all have a blessed night, family, and keep coming back to the News, Knowledge, and Life channel. For all those subscribed, I want to say thank you for new subscribers, and for those who haven't subscribed, subscribe to this page. Make sure you smash them likes up. Your man King Williams is out. Make sure that you keep your phones charged. Make sure that you hit that bell, and that bell says get all notifications, so you will be notified when new videos come out. Your man King Williams is out. Peace.